going over to Africa and Burger King, and so now they're having they're doing farming like they do here with, all this corn is being grown to feed all these animals, and then the elephants come through or whatever, and they gotta kill all the elephants. Yeah, farmers never tried to kill elephants before, but now they're trying to kill the elephants. They're trying to kill all these animals that are now their enemies. So this animal agriculture has always been a war against wildlife, and this underlying thing, and against nature, and this idea of owning animals, of owning all this stuff. I think these are the things that are part and parcel of eating animal-based foods. So the thing that I want to emphasize is that I'm not here merely to condemn and critique a system that's causing a lot of violence and disease and war. There's this wonderful alternative. It's like you don't have to eat animal foods. You don't have to. That should be like such a woohoo, great, But what I found, I've been saying this for 43 years. Most people don't go, great, okay, good, I'm done. They say, well, I like bacon, and they keep on eating bacon. So we can do that. That's what most people do. But I think if we really want to understand the importance of being free ourselves, to really have freedom, and to be worthy of freedom, we have to understand that in order to be worthy of freedom for ourselves, we have to be worthy of giving freedom to others who also would value their freedom. And free-living animals like cows and pigs and chickens and turkeys, they're actually all living out in nature right now freely, except for cows. There's pigs. We have wild pigs where we live up in Lake County. There's wild turkeys running around. We heard them today. There's wild chickens all over the place. If you go to Southeast Asia, there's wild sheep, there's wild goats, there's wild geese, there's wild ducks, there's wild fish. Cows, the last wild cow was killed only a few hundred years ago in Poland. I think it was